Welcome back. This is the evening of round, I don't know how many now. Still, what I'm fighting with is that right there. Still trying to get that out. I ended up using a rotary file and cut the nubby off this end, and I'm still trying to drill through. I mean, from what it feels like, it's close. So, I mean, yeah, I'm close. So there's that. And then when I went and got new spark plugs, wires, because when I pulled the spark plug wire off, that popped out outside of my spark plug wire. I noticed when I pulled my number 6, my number 6 cylinder, that one right there, that there was a lot of oil on my spark plug. So I need to do a valve gasket change. So went to AutoZone, got me a valve gasket for that. That's a dry valve gasket, so when we go to redo this, do the valve gasket, there's 8 bolts. That's 1, 2, 3, fourth one's back there, and then there's on that same valve gasket there's more. Yeah, all of those have to come off, and then we can take it off, the whole valve cover. So we got some stuff in the way that we're gonna have to remove. Looking at it, looks to be that arm is gonna have to come off, so I'm gonna have to take the belt off. So yeah, it looks like, nope, I may not have to. I should be able to just unbolt that, because that's bolted right there. That's bolted there. That's bolted there. So I should just be able to take this bracket off. Take that bracket off. Take the coil pad, or yeah, the distributor. It's not technically the distributor, but take that off, and then looks like I may have to take this top half off in order to reach some of the bolts that are kind of, let's see here, down in there. I'm going to have to take some of that out in order to gain access to the bolts that are down there for the valve cover. Now, since I'm in the middle of this debacle over here, I should be able to get to this valve cover rather easy. So it kind of worked out to my favor that all hell broke loose to an extent on this side. But yeah, so before I go further on replacing the wires, might as well just do this part and then knock this out, replace all this, and then go from there. Alright, so I will touch back with you when I have got more information. Oh man, I just saw this. That's not good. That's not good. That shouldn't be like that. Well, I'll fight that battle another day. Anyways, so I will give you updates as I start to work this valve cover off.